Hello and welcome again in our CTF series. So far we have solved up to level 4. In this video, I will show you how to solve level 5. Let's log into level 5 server using username Bandit5 and recently found password. Our goal is to find file somewhere under the in here directory having following properties. Simply we have to find file which is human readable form, 1033 byte and non-executable. This is in here directory. Let's check the files inside this directory. Well, there are multiple directories inside in here directory. So let's find our required file using this command. Find from this directory, type as file, size is 1033 as it is given. And here is the output. Let's find the file content. And that's it. We have our flag. This is the required password we need to log in for level 6. Save that password in your notepad, it will be used for next part. To solve level 6, please check out my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.